Hello, I am Mrs. Ogus, and I am your child's 8th grade English teacher for this year. I have been teaching for 16 years, and this will be my 17th year. I'm pretty excited about embarking on this journey with you, whether you are an at-home learner, student, or in-person, face-to-face learner. This is my 4th year here at North Belton. I taught at South Belton for a few years, and then I came over here, and I've been teaching for a while now. So what I wanted to show you and to get you started on is your child will be accessing most of their assignments, if not all of them, through Schoology. So I just wanted to show you kind of what that looks like in ELA. When your child goes to their course, they're going to see first, second, third, or whatever class period they're in, and there will be a first 9 weeks folder. Once the second 9 weeks starts, there will be a second 9 weeks folder, and then a third 9 weeks. So for now, it just says first 9 weeks, and then there's a week of September 8th. Next week, there will be one called week of September 14th. So when you click on the week, this week is week of September 8th, there's going to be an agenda there that will show you what they will do in one column, the name of the assignment, and then it has items used, so Schoology or Google Slides or their notebook and different things like that. So if your child is an A or B student, I would only see them on A or B days. And so that's why you only see a Tuesday and a Thursday for this class period. It kind of gets a little tricky when you're talking about first period and 8th period. Those class periods actually meet every day. So they would have something that has Tuesday through Friday for this week instead of only 2 days for this first week of school. But anyway, this will look like your agenda. And then underneath, you'll have the days of the week that your child comes to my class. So this week it's Tuesday and Thursday for A students. And they're going to open up Tuesday, and then they can see all of the tasks for the day that have to be clicked on in order for them to do the assignment. If they go out of order, the Schoology program won't let them. I have it set so they have to go in order. So I just wanted to show you these folders and kind of what that looks like. You can also contact me. The best way would be through email, which is firstname.lastname@bisd.net, and that's for every teacher. So mine is katie.ogus@bisd.net. You could also have your child message me through Schoology. This envelope up here is the method they can use to send me a message, and it alerts me to show me that someone has sent me one, and then I can respond back to them that way. You'll see in this email that I have sent you, there's also a copy of this syllabus that is right here for your child to see in Schoology as well. So if you click on that, it kind of just goes over the different things that are expected. You are going to see major grades count is 60%, minor is 40%. The supply list is there, a journal, pencil, glue stick, pens, whatever they choose to write in. They can be different colored pens if they like to do that. A library book eventually, or it could be an ebook. That way it's on their iPad. It's on their Chromebook. And then markers and colored pencils. You'll also find some different links to the digital learning, to Schoology, and to Skyward there. And then you'll also see some general topics that are covered. We do maintaining an independent reading life here at the beginning of the school year, and we follow that up with historical fiction and dystopian book clubs. There's drama, which is plays that they read, and poetry and nonfiction. So I just wanted to introduce myself and let you know that I am here, and I am looking forward to a great school year. So I hope to Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.